Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets and hallways, although it demonstrates the procedures for providing a lighting outlet in the entire dwelling unit. And then again, receptacles are 210.52. And we know for a hallway receptacle, figure 10-20 says if the hallway is over 10 foot in length, we need a receptacle located in the hallway. And then we need a wall switched outlet. And many times, that hallway, if it's very long, may be on a three-way, maybe on a four-way type hookup. This is arranged based upon the length of the hallway and the rooms that you enter into and so forth. But notice what the NEC loop is telling us. Hallway control of this lighting outlet or outlets can be wall switches, remote control, central control, or automatic control. And we find these requirements and permissive rules in 210.70. A2 is in Apple, exception to A1 is in Apple, through A3 is in Apple. So this figure 11-9 is dealing with lighting outlets in the hallway in accordance with 210.70 A2 item number 1. But notice we still show receptacles and lights in each room, but we're just showing one so that it doesn't get so busy that you can't tell what this section is really calling for. So hallway and hallways, if you have more than one, would be in accordance with 210.70 A2 item 1, and that's what our figure 11-9 is illustrating.